Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a perfect pro base using some MUA Cosmetics products. This is including their new Pro Base Lumi Tint. If you love a glowy, your skin but better makeup routine that is super affordable as well, then you're going to love this one. So let's get right into it. The first step, which is super important, is skin prep. Today I'm using the Pro Base Banana Brightening Primer. This is only $5.95. This is perfect when my skin is looking a little bit dull and a little bit textured. This primer is full of ingredients which my skin honestly needs right now. It's got glycerin, banana extract and niacinamide, which all help hydrate the skin and help improve uneven skin tone. It really gives my skin that really nice healthy base to work with. As you can see, it's given my skin that perfect glow, which is going to be the perfect base for makeup. That is exactly what my skin needed. Now for the star of the show. This is the new MUA Pro Base Lumi Tint, which is only $6.95. This is also MUA's first ever skin tint, and it comes in 23 inclusive shades, which means there's something for loads of different skin tones. I'm going to be using shade N1 Neutral. This super affordable skin tint feels so lightweight and breathable on the skin. It's also got a super nice medium coverage, which evens out all my redness and blemishes without looking heavy. It's formulated with a hyaluronic complex for hydration, niacinamide to help even skin tone, and vitamin E for skin-loving nourishment. This shade matched my neck perfectly. Before, after. I love how it's giving my skin but better, and look how well it matches my neck. It has given my skin such a beautiful glow. It honestly looks like my skin but better and has really evened out my redness. Look how well that's covered everything up but still kept my skin looking like my skin. I am so obsessed with the finish of this skin tint. This is the Lumi Tint all blended in, and it gives your skin that super healthy glow. Now I'm going to be adding the Pro Base Under Eye Brightener. This is in shade Light and is only $3.95. This under eye brightener was definitely needed today. This is caffeine infused, which helps brighten and refresh the under eye area so you look a bit more awake, even if you're not. It's made my under eyes look so much more awake and looks like I've had 10 plus hours of sleep, which I definitely have not. Just to give my skin a bit of definition, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Balms. I'm using shade Warm Bronze and Berry Blush in these Beauty Balms. The formula of these feels so creamy on the skin, and it's a really buildable formula which you can blend really easily into the skin. These beauty balms come in 13 different shades, so there's lots of colours to play with. The quality of these is actually insane, and I can't believe they're only £4. And finally, to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Glow Fixing Spray. This just helps melt everything together and keeps my skin looking super fresh, glowy and natural. Now look at how my skin looks. It looks really even, looks really healthy, looks like my skin, so really natural. And it just looks, honestly, perfect. This is exactly what I want for everyday makeup. And it's all thanks to that Pro Base routine. I still can't get over the fact that this Lumi Tint is $6.95. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's customizable for every skin tone. If you're looking for this My Skin But Better glow, then you definitely need to try this out. You can buy this at www.muastore.co.uk or Superdrug. Let me know if you try it.